So like I said, there's the sponsorships, organizations, and there's also, you need to also think about, if you are looking at recruiting staff from abroad, placing them with organizations, then you need to make sure that you're aware of the compliance. Because a lot of international candidates from abroad have been taken advantage of. So you don't want to really be you want to make sure that they're being safeguarded as well. So read up about the sponsor a skilled worker, whether you're doing this or whether you're not. For example, you still need to be aware of this. So, do you want to learn more? If you want to learn more, we have various boot camps. We've got more web classes. We've got one next week, which is healthcare technology, which is huge. We are doing a program as well. And, you know, there's different types of healthcare businesses as well for you as a business owner, or maybe you're starting out. So you need to decide which ones you're going to do and create that as your 12-month plan as well. So we have the 6-figure accelerator mentorship program. And this is where we do the bid training online. It's a 90-day program, and we do government contracts, we do private sector contracts, etc. We've got clients currently on the program, and they are getting massive value from this because they're actually getting contracts. Okay, every single week we apply for contracts. Every single week we are submitting a contract as well as you learning as well. And like I said, one of the providers, you know, they've been able to get multiple contracts with only being with us for a few weeks. And I would like the same for you. For example, the 90-day bidding is for private as well as care homes, as well as NHS, for example. There's so much work out there as well. And I'd like you to be a part of that. It's 12 modules. The curriculum is 3 hours a week. It's not for everyone. This is for you if your business is set up and you've got no contracts, or maybe you've got contracts and you want to get to the next level. We've got clients who have got, for example, 75 hours a week up to 1,000 hours a week, you know, but they want to increase their business. So we don't accept any more than 20 people, and we do have some spaces left right now. And like I said, every single month you apply for at least one contract you submit. Within that 4 weeks, you're answering the tender questions. I'm helping you to answer those tender questions. My philosophy is that I want to teach you to be able to fish for a lifetime, not showing you how to just eat for one day. You know, my philosophy is fish for a lifetime. Teach a man to fish, for example, or woman to fish. It's both. Okay? So book your free 15 to 30 minute consultation with me so that I can talk to you to see whether it's a good fit for you and whether we're a good fit for you as well.